Hello, everyone. Good morning, and welcome to a new edition of Merrill's Monday Morning Market Madness. I told you in last week's episode that I was expecting the month supply of inventory to drop below a 1 month supply on July 1st, and that it did. It actually dropped all the way down to 0.9 month supply of inventory. But then because of the holiday weekend, obviously no homes can close Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. So the 3-day weekend caused the number of closings to drop slightly. I did an episode on whatever day the first was that Wednesday or Thursday of last week, letting you all know that the month supply of inventory had dropped below 1. Part of that was caused by the fact that on June 30th, there were 1,207 homes, properties that closed in our MLS that day. I don't know for sure if that's a record, but most days, I looked at several random days throughout June, and most days seem to have, 300 to 400 closings in a day. So 1,207 is a significantly higher number than normal. So huge amount of closings happened that day. And it caused the total number of listings that had closed over the previous 30-day period to spike up to almost 10,000. In the month of June, we saw 9,800 homes closed in our MLS in the month of June. Today, we're sitting at 8,865 active listings, 13,848 pending listings, and that's actually down. We were at 14,500 pending listings, so the total number of pendings has dropped by about 700. But I attribute a lot of that to the fact that 1,200 homes closed on June 30th, and 9,009 homes have closed in the past 30 days. Again, we were at 9,800. We're down to 9,009. A part of that, again, no homes have been able to close over the last 3 days. Otherwise, it would have been a little higher. And so a month supply of inventory right now is 0.98. It doesn't look like we're going to go back above 1 anytime soon. Because I'm expecting to see quite a few homes close over the next couple of days. So that number of homes closed in the last 30 days will probably go up higher, and the active inventory is continuing to decline. We had several listings over the weekend that got multiple offers. So we're still seeing, multiple offers and kind of fierce competition for a very low number of houses. So typically in the Phoenix metro area, our busiest buying season is May and June, and then July and August start to slow down a little bit, but it's not this massive slowdown. It's, okay, we might see 10,000 homes close in May, another 10,000 close in June, and then July and August might see 8,000 or 9,000 closings. I expect this July will probably be a little bit busier because May was so slow. A lot of people are making their move in June and July instead. But, wouldn't be surprised if we start to see a slight slowdown in the market here. But with inventory being as low as it is, it's still going to be competitive. And I'm still expecting home values kind of to continue to rise. Just, again, very, very, very low amount of homes available for sale. It's, even if we see 20% fewer homes close in July than we saw in June, there's still going to be fierce competition because there's only 8,800 active listings. If we look at all the homes that closed in the month of June, looking only at single family homes and excluding retirement communities, the average sales price was $402,000. The average days on market was 52 days. And then a number I like to look at is what was the average sold to list price ratio. So you've got the price that people are asking for their house, and then the price that it actually sold for. What is that gap? And in the month of June, it was 99% sold to list price ratio, meaning that buyers were on average able to negotiate a 1% discount off of the list price. However, when we look at homes that sold between 200 and 400,000, homes were selling for full price. So not a lot of negotiation room going on average. On most houses are going for full price or very, very close to it. So that is our update for this week. Hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.